The number one way men block their divine masculine energy is shutting down emotionally in relationships. When you avoid vulnerability, chase approval, or over-control situations, you're cutting off your authentic power source. Divine masculinity isn't about being tough. It's about grounded confidence, healthy boundaries, and leading with purpose and integrity. Most men suppress this by disconnecting from their emotional truth and authentic self-expression. Your greatest strength comes from 63 divine masculine activation, not suppression. When you unlock this energy, you transform from reactive to responsive, from needy to magnetic, from controlling to confidently leading. Are you ready for the complete breakthrough method? The full episode link is in the description.